Say it again, say it again.
Hi, what's up YouTube? It's Dom here from Payday Pickups and I'm back with another video, and as you've seen from the intro, today we're going to be doing a men's try on haul, all courtesy of the brand Asos. Once again, I want to apologise for my lack of uploading. First of all, I'm back in my final year of university, so the workload is getting so much, so I've got to prioritise that. And as you can probably tell by my voice, I've been ill the past week. But I'm back uploading now, so let's jump straight into the video. So first of all, let's talk about the company Asos. If you don't know who Asos are, then you're definitely living under a rock. Asos are one of the biggest online retailers. They stock over 850 brands, as well as their own brand of clothing. They mainly sell in the UK, Europe, as well as the US, but they ship to, I think it is, over 190 countries, so you can pretty much get Asos anywhere. So if you want to get clothes for a cheaper price point, definitely go check out Asos. So they reached out to me to do a little collaboration video. I got to thankfully choose 10 pieces, only Asos branded. So I thought now it's coming to the fall/winter, so I thought let's get a mixture of things. So let's jump into item number one. So it's coming up to November now and it's starting to get a lot wetter as well as a lot colder. So the first two pieces that I prioritised were a coat. So the first one, it is this single-breasted trench coat. It's just beige colourway. The buttons on one side as well as there. Nice collar. The thing I love about this jacket is you can wear it very formally and smart. You can wear it like a suit, as well as wearing it kind of casually like a turtleneck or just a plain t-shirt. You can see from my Instagram photo right here. And it only comes for a price point of £50 too, which is honestly very cheap, and it's very stylish and pretty much goes with any outfit. So the way I styled it, I wore the beige trench coat, I just wore a plain black CDG t-shirt, my black crop trousers from Uniqlo, and then just a plain pair of white trainers. So let's move on to the second piece. So the second piece I want to talk about, it is another coat. I wanted to go something a little bit out of my comfort zone and try something a bit new. So I got this overcoat. Overcoats I honestly think are the most stylish kind of item in a men's wardrobe. And I went for a wool one, so a lot thicker weight, keeps you warm. And for the details, we've got the kind of oranges, the beige, the blacks and the whites. And something that complements really well with it is the third item I chose, this accessory. It is this little white leather pouch, monochrome with the white leather and then the black straps. Goes with pretty much any style of outfit, just adds a little bit of detail. So the way I styled the overcoat in the bag, I wore just a simple black turtleneck, the overcoat over the top, and then to add some extra pop to the outfit, we have the single pouch. It's good to hold your phone, your wallet, etc. I wore just some black ripped jeans from Minimal LA and then my Balenciaga Arena highs. So moving on to my fourth item, this is probably my favorite item out of all the 10 pieces I chose. When I think of like the fall/winter, the first thing that comes to mind is kind of like chunky, oversized knitwears. And this one, when I saw it, the colors were so perfect and it comes at such a cheap price point. It's this beige/cream oversized turtleneck. We have the lighter beige on the sleeves and then this kind of darker beige as the main body of it with the oversized neck. The sleeves are nice and baggy, the length is nice and baggy. You would have seen my Instagram photo right here. Goes really nicely with an all beige outfit, and it is only priced at £30, which is honestly such a steal. I would definitely recommend copping. The links for everything will be in the description box below. I styled this turtleneck, I'm just wearing that as the main piece. I'm wearing these corduroy light cream from Uniqlo pants. Then on the feet, it is the Yeezy 500 blush to complete the whole beige/creamy outfit. So the next piece I chose, once again, another chunky knitwear. I wanted to get one a different color. Black goes with everything, and man, the quality of this piece, this is from the Asos whites, it's like the higher end stuff. This is so thick. I'm hoping the camera can pick it up, but it's got like cross lines and then kind of diagonal lines as well. So chunky weight. It's got the tighter bit on the neck, and then we have the kind of open sleeves. Keeps you so warm. You can literally wear this on its own without a coat. And I'll show you my Instagram photo right here. And to pair this up, once again, very simple monochrome outfit. We have the turtleneck as the main piece. We have my black crop trousers from Uniqlo, my plain white trainers, and then just a simple minimal tote bag. So the next item I want to talk about, it is a pair of bottoms. Cargo pants are very in for fall/winter, and I chose this Asos white off-white cream pair. We have the kind of seatbelt belt at the top with the longer bit for a bit of added detail. We have the two side pockets as well as the two bottom pockets on the front. We have the elastic bit at the bottom to get the tapered fit. These are also baggy as well, so they look really sick with the whole oversized kind of like militant look. And then I paired this with the next item, which is also from the Asos white collection. It is just this plain baby blue sweatshirt, nice and oversized, fitting the whole kind of Yeezy aesthetic, comfy aesthetic. And I went for the baby blue. I wanted to kind of get out my comfort zone. I think it complements really well with the light cream of these cargo pants. And on the feet, I've styled them with the Yeezy 700 Wave Runners. I like the blue hits on the 700 Wave Runners, which matches really well with the blue sweatshirt. So now moving on to the second pair of bottoms I chose. These ones are much more of a smart pair. They're a pair of Pinstripe crop trousers. They're kind of like a cream, and then I don't know if it's like brown or yellow, can't really tell, or beige. We have the nice 2 buttons, so like a smarter pair of pants. And what I love about them is the fit. So I got a 33 waist, 30 legs, so they're nice cropped aesthetic. We've got the nice middle seam, which I really like in pants. And what I love about these trousers is they are very versatile. So for this video, I styled them with an oversized Carhartt t-shirt. It's beige Carhartt t-shirt. You can wear it tucked in or untucked with these trousers. A pair of white Uniqlo socks, and then a pair of all white trainers. Very simplistic style. And if you want to smarten it up a bit, you could wear it with like a plain white smart shirt, these, and then a pair of loafers. So moving on to the final pieces. This next piece, it is very versatile all year round, and I've started wearing them a lot more recently. It is a tactical utility vest or a gilet. I chose the beige one. Right here, it has the pockets, 2 pockets on this side, and then we have, I think it's 3 pockets on this side. Beige pretty much goes with everything, blacks, whites, greys, and this can be worn all year round. You can wear it over a t-shirt. For my outfit, I wore it with an oversized Represent black hoodie, my black cargo pants from Minimal LA, and then my Yeezy beige blush, once again to match the beige. And the 10th and final piece I want to talk about, I'm currently wearing one of them right now. It is the accessories, it is the chains. So I bought this, it's a pair of multi-chains. You get basically, I think it's 4 or 5 chains in total. So I have one here, which is a plain chain, which I put my Louis V padlock on. We have like kind of Cuban link style chain. This is my favorite, been looking for one of these for ages. Very thick weight and high quality. Then we just have another simple chain to add some layering. They're all different lengths, so you can actually wear them all at once. And then the last one, this one I don't really like. It's one with kind of like these safety pins, but they kind of got like iced out diamonds on them, which is really kind of isn't my thing. I'm not like a rapper. Last but not least. So I usually pair all 3 of these at once, and it adds so much detail to the outfit. But overall, huge thank you to Asos. Let me know what you thought of my new backdrop for the kind of setup for showing the pieces. I couldn't go outside and film because unfortunately you can't always find a videographer who's willing to help you out. All the 10 items shown in this video will be linked below, so if you want to buy any of them, be sure to click those links and purchase them. And once again, huge thank you to Asos. All their social media as well as their website will be in the description box below. If you're a student too, sign up to Uni Days and you get 10% off. And if you enjoyed this style of video, be sure to hit that thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and hit that notification bell if you want to be notified every single time I upload a video. Also, if you haven't already, be sure to go check out my second channel. It's called 2-1. We post a load of like kind of more entertainment videos, but I think that's about everything. I'm going to be back uploading again, so be sure to comment what you want to see in future videos, and I'll see you lot in the next one.